Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Friends, subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website and join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also, don't forget to watch the August pick a card readings. Link is in the timestamps, and also Hindi Urdu versions of these readings are already done on the other channel. So make sure you watch them out and subscribe, like, and share. So let us see, Taurus, what is the theme of the month of August for Taurus? Okay, your cards are jumping all around. So it is a very high active, high energy month for you, Taurus. Let us see. Oh my goodness. That's insane, actually. Two cards did jump out, see? No wonder these cards were jumping out. The card that flew out was Chariot. So this is a fast, very, very fast month for you. Before you know it, this month will be gone. Also, you may feel very highly energized this month. You may also plan to move, relocate, shift. Also, your energy will be very, very high, Taurus. And in fact, you are an earth sign, but you may feel like an air sign, very, very mentally active, and your thoughts will be racing this whole month. Page of Cups. Yes, I do feel that this month your emotions will be a little high, friends, because mentally, emotionally, you will be very, very charged up. You will have new ideas, new work ideas, new creative ideas. Even in love, you will want to, if you start a new relationship, you want to just go for it. You don't want to wait. You want to go all in. Some of you may be getting a proposal, or you may also propose somebody. If you like them, you will be running after them. You will not be able to stop yourself, Taurus. And it is such a strange energy because it feels like I'm reading for an air sign, because that's the fast energy you have. So August is a fast month. Big changes, happy changes, positive changes coming for you. You will feel very excited. Yes, look at that. A lot of wishes coming true for you, Taurus. So this is your month of wishes coming true, and happiness and some sort of a celebration will happen. Some of you may actually be having a new relationship, or some sort of a success is coming, some work success is coming. You may meet your soulmate, your twin flame, or maybe you are renovating your home, or you buy a home, or you buy a vehicle, or some sort of a mobile or something, automobiles or technology, electronics. You will feel very happy. You will feel very celebrate. You will feel the mood of celebration. It's a good month for you, Taurus. So let's see how you're. All right. Wow, your cards. Yeah, see, you're dealing with the you are dealing with the air sign. See, I told you. King of Swords, Eight of Wands. Oh my god, your cards just refuse to shuffle. My god. Okay, love life for Taurus. Please behave, cards. Oh my god, the King, Knight of Swords, the King of Wands, Taurus, the Queen of Earth, the Wheel of Fortune, and Taurus, their love life, and the Seven of Wands and Two of Wands. So you start the month of August feeling very, 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 very excited. On most of your relationships may happen online, or they could be long distance connections, or they could happen with someone you work with, or you are already dating or in relationship with somebody you work. There could be an age difference or age gap or maturity gap with this person, but I feel communications will be going super high, super active. Lot of communications, lot of ideas sharing, lot of mutual sharing, caring. Also, if you are single, Taurus, a chance of a new romance at love. At work may happen. Some of you may meet somebody online, and there can be sparks of love flying for you, Taurus. So it is like a very, very good month for you. It is like your wishes coming true. It is like electrifying month for you. Your love life, you start August with a bang. And yes, Not only is this not only the communications will be good in the connection in your love life, Taurus, also passions will be very very high. You will feel very passionate about your person, they will feel very passionate about you. So sometimes you may struggle to tell the person that you are feeling a lot of passion for them, you actually love them, or they may actually struggle to tell you how much they love you. So the main problem you may face, Taurus, in the month of August is that there is too much love, there is too much of passion and communications, too much happening in your relationships in a good way. So some of you may actually, you may feel your partner is a little different than you, or your partner may feel you are different from them. But the problem is not that you guys are different. The problem is, when you are passionate, they listen intellectually. When they are passionate, you listen from your mind. So that is the problem. When you are passionate, they are emotional. When they are passionate, you are intellectual. So you need to listen. You are actually, they are both the same sides of the coin. So passions are high, passions are really really high. You're gonna also have some choices in love, Taurus. So if you are single, you may have more than one choice in love. Also, some of you, if you are waiting for a person, yes, that person is coming. It was right from the start of August, that person will message you. There will be a lot of chemistry happening. And more, I do see that some of you will get a chance to meet this person, spend more time with them. If they are in long distance with you, they might visit you, you might visit them. Someone from abroad may be coming. So there is a lot happening here. There is a lot of positivity, there is a lot of stability also in your relationships, and you will feel very very excited also. If you are married, Taurus, this is the time. The mid of August is the time when there will be a chance of family expansion. You may there will be a chance of family expansion, a celebration, or someone in the family may actually be pregnant and have a baby by that mid of August. Or housewarming, you moving in with somebody, or they are moving in, proposals happening, marriages happening, yes, mid of August. So you will, at the end of August, finally, when things start to calm down, in your love life, because you start on a high energy, you start like here, and then like finally, phew, because you need to rest also. You can't always be on a high wave, but it's a great energy, Taurus. 7 of Wands. Yes, I do feel that the last few weeks of August will be very balanced for you in your love life. Things will be going more easy for you, and your person will be behaving maturely. There will be a mature understanding. No communication issues, no jealousy or something like that, no hurdles like here. Like when you are passionate, they are emotional, nothing like that. Things are classy, things are beautiful, things are stable. So let's see your advice for love, and then your love, work and career. What is the advice for Taurus? Oh my god, 3 of Cups. So friends, this month you have to focus on friendships. Friendship is love for you. Build, try to be a better friend to your person. Try to see them as a friend rather than as a lover. Try to let go of some expectations. Also, you will, there may be other people affecting your relationships. So try not to take other people too seriously, and their suggestions about your relationship, about your person. Try to keep your friends at a distance. See them as friends, not like they are your lover who can give you some advice. So if there could be third party, or like friends or family could be interfering your relationship, but I don't think so they can do it, because you will not let them. You are very very happy and you are very content in your love life. And new beginnings, yes, a new start is coming for you, Taurus, in the month of August. So focus on that rather than on what people are telling you. Oh, you should not date this person, you should not marry them, oh no, this and that. You should listen only to yourself. Keep friendships happy and be your partners. Instead of a lover filled with expectations, try to be a friend to your partner. And marriage, yes, marriage and commitment are very 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 important to you. And there is a chance some of you may actually get married, or some of you may get the wedding card or wedding proposal this month, or you may actually decide that the person you meet in the month of August is the one who you are going to marry in the future. So wonderful energies. So your relationships are very strong, Taurus, don't doubt it. Let's see your work and career now, Taurus, August. Material harvest, waiting game. The shadow, discontent and boredom, and positive movement forward. So that's interesting. So I feel like you are a little bored, when because the energy is so fast for this month that you want to overachieve, friends. You have so many ideas that you want to put them all into action, and if you cannot, sometimes you can't make 100 paintings, although your ideas are bubbling, like you want to make 100 music songs, 100 paintings, 100 crafts, 100 projects you want to achieve, 100 dreams you want to act on. You are ready for it, but there is there is time, it is difficult to start all 100 things together. So you may feel a little discontent, like why do we have to do only few things? Why can't we work on all my dreams? Patience. Have some patience, friends. Patience is the big word here, because you will be able to achieve all your dreams, Taurus. That's for sure. You will be able to make those 100 paintings or 100 songs or whatever 100 ideas you have, 100 projects, 100 crores. Yes, you will be able to achieve it. It's just a matter of strategy. It is just a matter of putting first things first and then in the order, chronological order. So, yes, keep some patience, and waiting does not mean that you have lost the game or you have been defeated. No. Another thing is your energy is very very fast. Your mind is racing, friends, Taurus. So you will have to maintain some patience. If you are a student, you will get bored very very easily. Very easily, friends. You will either study very quickly, finish your course early, or if things are not clear, like you don't have your exam dates or anything, you may feel suddenly bored, like you have already studied this, why am I studying this? You may feel very bored and disconnected also with your studies. So please maintain some patience and interest and excitement in your work or studies. Try to maintain that. And the shadow side, yeah, I do feel that you may feel certain fears this month also, Taurus, like you may feel like, nah, I can't achieve so many dreams. You can. Who said you can't? There are a million stars in the galaxy. There are a million galaxies also. We have not yet even discovered the space. So how do you know you cannot have your 100 wishes coming true? Yes, all your wishes will come true. It is just the matter in which they will come true. So don't worry, keep working, don't doubt yourself. Also, your life will be moving forward, but you may feel like you are still stuck. So Taurus, don't appearances can mislead, so don't believe that. You are moving forward. There is a lot of excitement, there is a lot of positivity and success coming your way, and there is money coming your way. Look at that, 9 of wands. Lot of material success is coming, lot of money is coming, lot of abundance is coming, and the work you are doing right now, this will bring you abundance till 9 years, till your next decade, for the next 9 years. So keep working, Taurus. You are in wonderful energies. Just the only thing in August to remember is maintain a bit of patience. That way, and while you are waiting, maintain excitement, remain excited. Advice: take charge and action. It's time for you to act, Taurus. Yes, make a list of what you want to achieve and you will do it. All right, let's see. Healing energy. Yes, you are healing, friends. You are becoming very very, in fact, you have already healed, friends. I see that you will be bubbling with new ideas, bubbling with creativity. Your creativity will be very high. Some of you could be doing exceptionally well at your work. You will be minting money. So get ready. Ask and receive. Yes, whatever you want, you can achieve and receive, friends. So pray. This is your answered prayer month, friends, Taurus. Whatever you want will happen for you without much effort or by the grace of God, So well done. Answered prayers. What a month. Beautiful. I wish I was a Taurus suddenly. It's very rare I say that, friends. I'm an Aquarius and I love it. I just absolutely feel so blessed to be born as an Aquarius. Oh, but look at your month. It's amazing. I love you all, friends. Yes, good advice from a wise person. So I feel there will be a lot of support coming your way. You will have a lot of ideas, people supporting you, a new job or a career. Some of you could be getting a new job, shifting, relocating. A younger man is important. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes, this is your month of wishes coming true. Taurus. Oh my god. Let's exchange it. Let's share the blessings. Kite, a vacation is coming for you. God bless you, Taurus. Always stay this happy. Always stay this blessed, you know. Successful outcome to your problems. Yes, you will have a lot of solutions. You are very creative. A man is also important. A younger man and a man. Virtue, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Yeah, I do feel this may happen in a way like you don't feel like sleeping. You are overcharged, Taurus, so you need to get some sleep in August. Rest and sleep is necessary. Temporary situations, certain worry is in not necessary, unnecessarily. You are worried because of slowness. You may be worried. The only thing that will worry you, Taurus, is like why things are slow. Things are not slow, my dear friends. Things are just not slow. I can't tell you the way energy is moving. I can't even tell you how fast this month is for you. You will know once it's over. Hidden secrets can harm you. Well, involvement with the law. Yeah, some of you could be getting a degree, a promotion, an award, a recognition, or some of you are going through a legal issue like a divorce, or some court cases for property. You will get it, they will be resolved in your favor. A secret admirer, yes, somebody likes you. April is important for you, and wheel, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Yeah, I do see that your life is moving forward very, very nicely, and this is your month of wishes coming true. And happy August. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.